Hi there and welcome to Bella's Vistas. Well, it's a different day today. We're out on the road. We're heading to the van show in Aylmer, Ontario. I hope it's going to be fun. Well, it looks like we might be getting a bit of a storm coming in. Just driving into the park right now. We're in Aylmer, Ontario for Vanfest. So many vans, I couldn't believe it. It was amazing. So many campers here. There's Pug from Inuvik. I met up with him later on. I didn't know that was his truck when I came in. We got a place to park here. Good campsite too, really. Amazing vehicles. A little ambulance. Look at this thing here. Wow, rat rods everywhere. There was live entertainment. Beautiful sunset, wow. And this is the day of the show. Some tremendous paint jobs. This one I think is fishing around the clock. Now we're lining up to go in for the show. Here's a happy vanner right here. Canada's largest Vanfest. This is the 27th one, I guess. Well, here we are. Here we are at Vanfest, Canada's largest van festival.
Alrighty, somebody be in there, get you directed.
They're bringing us over here and setting us up right next to the outhouse. There's our van set up with a picture of us in the mountains. We've put 200,000 miles on the van over the time we've had it. Been to the bristlecone pine trees in Northern California, been to the Rocky Mountains, Banff, Jasper, Northwest Territories, seen the Northern Lights. It's been really good. Had a lot of fun in the van. It's not the same without Bella. I'm starting to get used to it, but I miss her something fierce. This is an amazing white van here. This one, you guys really got it nice. Really well done. There were lots and lots of fabulous vans. Big monster truck there. Look at that big, wow. I've seen some huge campers like that on the road. Look at the paint jobs. I mean, wow, they're just incredible. Our van's been up the Dempster Highway and it's covered with stone chips that we've just touched up with white paint. At some point I'd like to get it covered with rhino liner, I think, so that you don't worry about the stone chips. These vans, a stone chip would just make you cry. Love these old vans. I was driving a van like this delivering parts way back in about 1969, I think. That's a 66, so it's probably pretty much like one of the ones I was driving. There's a lot of unique themes on these vans. I didn't really get time to study them. eagle or a hawk. Look at the paint on that, and that was right at sunrise. Such a beautiful van, wow. Fire-breathing dragon here, that's something. I'm not sure what's going on this black van here, who this pirate is on the back of it, but it looks like he deals in shrunken heads, maybe, I don't know. There were lots of little trinkets you could pick up for free. And there were some nice snack booths and a place with some wonderful cookies and muffins. People were really super friendly. And there's our van. Mary said we could have qualified probably for the quietest van there. Did a lot of work on it the past month. Some interesting customization on the side doors there. Back to the old Fords again. The place was packed. I think there were 300 exhibitors. It's a Dodge van. I don't know if that's like the one we had. We had a Dodge van back in the 70s. Look at this thing here, wow. This is a Mack truck. Look at the size of that. There's some really interesting body work done to the cab. It's got extra doors on it and everything. It's pretty wild. Look how big it is. Huge diesel truck. Some very interesting colors, that's for sure, and a huge limo in the back there. Wow. Lowriders and so many vehicles. Wow, GMCs. This one, the front end was totally changed, brazed and confused. Safari windows on some of the Volkswagen vans. There was something for everybody here, some kind of unusual vehicle for everybody. Lots of shelves in the back and cupboards here. We just have open storage under the bunk in the back of our van. And there's the old shag carpet mobiles. It's an interesting design inside. Bar car, I guess. It was a beautiful day for it too, sunny all day. Sort of a dump truck here. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Classic rat rods. I've been paying a lot more attention to the paint on them lately. Wow, look at that. There was parts too. You swap meet to buy parts, and companies that actually made parts, and people that had original parts, like not new old stock, but old parts. Windows. I've been in a situation where we needed a new window. That was hard to find. Little toy cars and things. And I met Chris from Inwood Customs. I couldn't believe it with this big truck. I've been watching him build this truck on the internet. Watched him for months working on this restoration on this truck. It's beautiful. Some really interesting murals. There's the one that I saw in the sunrise. There's where it's set up for the show. So thanks for visiting Bella's Vistas. Come on back again real soon.